Welcome to Math 146. I'm Angie Redmond, your instructor. I'm going to take just a few minutes to show you around our online classroom. So I'm logged into Canvas and I am at our home screen. There's some really good links and information on the home screen itself. So over here on the left, you've got quick access to my Zoom office hours. They are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 o'clock. And it will pop up with, this is normally a little join button here, but you can click right here or click the link, and that will take you right to my office hours in Zoom. If you aren't familiar with Zoom, it's really, really easy. You can go ahead and click here for a quick tutorial. Also in the home screen, over here on the left is the tab for the modules. The modules is where all of the course information lives. I've got it organized so you've got a couple of getting started modules. I encourage you to work through each of the pages on these getting started modules. They're going to explain the required TI-84 or TI-83 calculator. Lots of free options here, so don't feel like you need to buy one, but you do need access to one or something like it, but there are some free options as well. We will be using the free WAMAP homework and exam site. I have it integrated right into the classroom, so you don't need to go to a different site. You don't need to register or log in. It's already embedded into the module pages. There is an optional text. I have based this class largely on the textbook that's shown here on this page. If you want to pick one up, you're welcome to do that. You can pick up a used edition for just a few dollars. Sometimes it's just really nice to have that physical copy of a text that you can reference. The majority of my students, though, use the worksheets and the other resources that I've provided and don't find that they need to purchase that textbook. But that's a really, really great option. Let's see, we talked about my office hours there. Do take a look at the syllabus. I also have some information here about late passes. You do have 4 late passes to use on the homework. You can use late passes on the homework, the WAMAP homework, anytime throughout the quarter. I mean, you can do a week 1 homework at the very end of the quarter, but you can also use it on exams up to 2 days late. There's a 5% penalty per day for exams, no penalty at all for the homework. I know life kind of gets in the way sometimes, and that is okay. Another really helpful tool that students very much appreciate are the homework question videos. You can access them here, but I've also given them their own tab over here on the left. It's this videos WAMAP homework help. These are my videos that I've made to answer students' questions about the homework. They're fairly short videos, but they are the same homework questions that you will be working, and you can see that students have had a lot of homework questions. If there's one that you don't see here, or if you've got something that maybe is here, but it's not quite addressing your specific question, please do let me know. All the questions that you have help other students as well. So I really like this model of answering homework questions in a way that everyone benefits from the answer. So we're continuing just to move through these getting started modules. I do want you to really spend some time on each of the pages here. We have a midterm and a final exam. Those are both online. They're not timed. You do have a due date for each of those. And you can see what those are here. I think I've got the due date for the midterm listed, but not the final exam. They are open book, open note. Lots of flexibility there, just really wanting you to understand the information best you can. And then in the step 3 module, I want you to sign up for the free statistics tutoring that WBC offers. We have a dedicated stats tutor. He's tutored for us a couple of quarters now. And is really helpful with any questions you might have, maybe their calculator skills, maybe you've got some catching up to do and my office hour doesn't work for you. So a really wonderful free service there. So make sure you get signed up for that. And then finally, the All About Math 146 online quiz. Super easy points. You even get 2 tries. So it's a really easy way to start out the quarter with some good points, but it's all based on what you've seen here. And then we move into the heart of the course material. So we've got these weekly modules The weekly modules consist of usually some kind of a discussion board. This week it's a biography discussion board, just introducing yourself to the class. They also have videos and homework that goes along with the videos. I'm going to go ahead and click on the videos. These are videos that I have created based on the homework sets. So the homework sets I created first and then the videos. So they're really pretty well aligned. And you can see that I've linked each of the videos to one of the homework assignments. Each video comes with a video worksheet. If you're able to print, I encourage you to print these off. That way you can follow along and these become your notes. And when you get to those exams, you've got some really good notes to work off of. So for each of the weeks, you'll see videos that will prepare you pretty well for the homework. The homework is embedded into the modules. So we've got one of the homeworks here. They're embedded into the modules. We are using a program called WAMAP, which is completely free. It's been developed by a community college math teacher over on the west side. I've used it for over a year now, and it's been really great. I get lots of positive feedback. You do not need to sign up for this. You do not need to register in any way, and you certainly don't need to pay. It's all completely free. So when you've watched the videos, you're ready to work through the homework sets. And these homework sets have unlimited tries. So you can just continue to work on the problems over and over. They're really you learning the material. Let's see, I'm going to go back to modules just so you can kind of get the lay of the land here a little bit. You will only ever have something due, except for if we've got a holiday, and I think there's just Memorial Day this quarter. You'll only ever have something due on a Monday, a Wednesday, or a Friday. And you'll notice that this week you've got homework due on Wednesday and Friday, and that All About Math 146 quiz is due on Monday. And then as you continue into the next week, you'll notice that again, you have things that are due on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So be looking for some kind of an activity or discussion board in Canvas. There's an extra credit one and a datability survey, just a quick little survey there to gather some data as we work through some statistical tools. And then, like we saw in the week 1 module, lecture videos that also have worksheets attached, and then homework that is aligned with those worksheets. If I scroll back up here and go back to the home page, there's some other really great tools on the home page that I want to make sure that you are aware of. So we did take a look at some of the tabs here on the left. Zoom office hours, this is a quick way to connect to me on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11. The modules, we accessed those. This is the link to the WAMAP homework help, those video homework solutions that I've answered students' questions with. This is also another way that you can access that statistics tutoring that's offered through the college. This free e-tutoring, this one's available more often, but it's by people throughout the state. So you don't get a WVC person there. And then grades and then some tools. Moving over here to the right-hand side, this really nice to-do list. If you finish something and it doesn't go away, you can just click the X, remembering that you've done that. So you do have a nice list there, but if you click on the View Course Calendar, this gives you a better visual of what you've got coming up. And you'll notice, as promised, we only have things due on a Monday, a Wednesday, or a Friday. And you can see right here where each of those are. Moving over to the very left-hand side, we've got the inbox here. This is a great way to connect with me. So if you've got a message that you want to send to me, any kind of a question, I typically respond to messages Monday through Friday in the mornings. Sometimes more often than that, but if I'm not getting back to you right away, just know that I will the following morning. So Monday, Wednesday, weekly, daily, I should say, mornings. And then you've got things due Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So let me know if you've got any questions. I look forward to working with each of you. Just send me a message if anything comes up. Thanks a lot.